Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate your Sunbucks card in 2026. So first of all, have your physical Sunbucks card or summer EBT card ready. You may also need the card number, the case number or the approval notice, personal identification details depending on your state. Now, most of the Sunbucks card can be activated either via calling the phone number which will be available on the back of your card, by visiting your state's official EBT or Sunbucks portal, or using the EBT Edge application or similar approved mobile application. So during the verification, you usually be asked to provide your card number, the case number, and sometimes other information like address verification and date of birth. So once verified, you can create your 4-digit PIN. Then after PIN creation, your card will be officially activated and ready for use at approved grocery stores, farmers market and retailers that accept EBT benefits. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.